Hello, myself Dr. Saju Narayanan. I'm from Kerala, and I'm attending this fifth edition of the Hands-On liposuction course, and I'm really very much delighted. The masterclass by Dr. Sanjay Parashar, Dr. Sudhakar Prasad, and the academic sessions by Dr. Guru. So these are all really. I have been performing liposuction surgeries, but I'm here to learn from the masters, and it's been a delightful, it's wonderful course. And I have had a good hands-on training also from here for high definition courses, and also other breast surgeries and fat grafting like that. So the ambience of this Personiks, the staff were very courteous, and they were very helping in all the ways of the academic sessions and the training sessions. So I really thank the Personiks team, including Dr. Guru, and for helping me get educated from the masters of aesthetic surgery, including Dr. Sanjay Parashar sir and Dr. Sudhakar Prasad. Thank you so much.